am procrastinating today. It's indeed Monday, and I'm just tired after such a big weekend, I think. So Adam's listening to Daft Punk in the right. Is it Daft Punk? Yeah, yep. He's listening to Daft Punk. So if you hear that, that's what he's listening to. I can't actually show you what I'm sculpting today because I'm working on the monthly clubs that I do with Adelaide Cottage, but I will find other things throughout the day to show you as I do them. Adam's going to be leaving in about an hour to go grocery shopping without me, which is really weird. Well, I just dropped Rory. Well, I didn't drop Rory off. I put Rory on the bus, and I'm going to have some lunch, probably just eggs and toast. So I've been doing a little bit of experimenting and trying out a new type of gingerbread house. This obviously is not one I was happy with. And I did this one, which has like chocolate and stuff, but it was still just too messy. And then I think I really just can't decide. I do really like this one with the candy as the shingles. But I also really like the sprinkles on top. Just kind of a simpler look, and I did thicker icing with this one. More windows. So I don't know.